the time here at the Major City of Europe conference, Zurich is pretty much a front runner for technology, putting it into sort of the public sector, digitalization, e-government. How do you engage to get the senior management involved in this part of the sort of the journey to get everybody on board?
Okay, I think the main way to engage people is to show them the value of what you're doing. But actually, we were very lucky a few years ago because we had a political person that was very into IT, and he was promoting this whole e-Zurich initiative, which started a lot of the programs we currently have. So like open government data is one of those things that came out of this initiative.
So do you feel that it's a problem that if let's say the political power will change, that also some of the projects won't be getting more fundings or would maybe just fade out?
Yes, I guess so. There's two parts of ICT. There is this operational part of ICT that we all need to do our work, to do our job. You can't live without that anymore. But that's actually only a cost driver. So they might try to lower the costs there. But then there's the other part of ICT, the innovation part, where you can reach new things. You can do more things in transparency, in participation, engage the citizens more and more. You can do like smart cities programs, all these things, but they are not necessary. So it's very much the political direction that the city wants to go, if you get money for your projects or not.
If you think about citizen participation, where do you rank with Zurich? Do you feel you're doing a lot already with the participants? You said open data, you share a lot of things, but is there more to do? Do you have an agenda?
We don't have an agenda. I personally think there's a lot more to do. We have in Switzerland, we have a very good political system with this direct democracy. We don't really need to have more participation in the political process, but in making the city a better place to live, we could actually need more participation. But I think to get people to participate, they need knowledge. And this knowledge normally is based on information. Information is based on data. So the more data, functionality, services you share with the people, the more they can participate.
Do you feel that there are the digital natives, the early adopters, so they really get the information that you want to share, and then they can participate? But how do you reach the ones that are not connected to the digital world? Or do you just say, well, we can participate with everyone, we just have to skip a few things?
No, you can't do that as a public administration. No, we always try to cover everybody, to really bring the information to every person, if it's a digital native or if it's a person that's not using computers at all.
So how do you get into the dialogue?
We had one program which in German was called Computersternli, where you try to get school children that are very good in computer things to elderly persons that are making first steps with computers, and so trying to bring those generations together to help each other.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.